I want to talk to you about the Moose Hide campaign that's kicking off this month. It is a campaign where men stand up to support actions to eliminate sexual violence, or all forms of violence for that matter, against women and children. There are 6 things I'd like you to consider doing in support of this cause. When you're approached by a survivor of an experience, believe them. They need to know that they're in a safe place when they bring forward their complaints, and to assure them that it's not their fault. Trust your gut. You see something on the street that's happening, violence being committed against a woman, step in if it's safe to do so. If not, call 911 for help. Offer support. Ask if you can help people who have experienced violence and connect them to support organizations and services that are out there. Lead by example. Question your own attitudes and behaviors towards disrespecting women or harm to women. Sexist language, gratuitous violence, street harassment, all contribute to this culture of violence against women. Be a role model. Talk to your family, your friends, your coworkers about the roles that they play in ending violence against women. Challenge men and young men in your life to make a difference for good. And learn more and get involved. There are many websites available for you. I encourage you to look at the Moose Hide campaign website that will direct you to other sources of information, but become knowledgeable about violence against women and children. Thank you.